Nana Kwame around the world the fire code na kozo. What is going on?
Abra.
Nana Kwame.
Na bibia fine there.
Boko.
Bia boko.
Eh me ba makai me de cheba.
Eche. Dubai eche ni bi. Anasa eche we there. Ukọ Vietnam Ukọ Vietnam.
Badi e we say ukọ Vietnam be but edin be gu so. Vietnam for but edin be.
Eche we ukọ Vietnam emonfo no omu twa mo no.
Ayo, mate. Robert Fato so.
We Vietnam che wo.
Enye Vietnam che. Menye ne say na mra camera ni mu ya ha abem.
Abem.
Dubai.
No, eche we Vietnam.
Dubai.
No. And Russia be ha, and Russia be Roma, and Russia be
Dubai. Mama chance. We was shot.
Vietnam. No, I watch China to wa. I know Vietnam. We among
Nigeria movies ka phone na she. We need to me she. And I saw kwa sorry as of my men on we prima phone.
It is how the headset in say.
Hello? On. 7. But me say me cheche no so.
But Fatiso befa. Aha.
E chen be mo ahwe che ne body. Debi.
E chen flexible.
Ene me say.
Hey. Aha. I love Vietnam jati. We are munche wo Vietnam mo ntwa mo no. We have been ayo mo she.
Me ton Dubai for na me ton no mo ntwa mo.
Sa.
Robert, what they to so na Dubai ne mra o.
Nse was watch ya Dubai no. Manimbre ni ma Dubai ni mbre ni. Tene no adabi manen call inside. Manembra.
E be sa tie ne be tima boje. Eh, mi say na be menate. Sem na me bi so. Robert, aba na mai, ma Dubai ne mra so. Na chene ma boka na mato. Aba na mai.
Sister awudi ashe ni odum piki Dubai no. Nti ma Dubai ni mbre nim. Tieni say. Aha. Anet wo ko.
Mene. Eh, na manya. We dey emergency o. Robert.
No Robert why there?
Eh.
Dubai kakra. Dubai no.
Robert unya na unya.
Unya.
Yeah. Na hear stories.
Nti that's what you going.
There's also who Dubai. Hey, na chebe timi me say ya de say.
Obi ansuma.
Me we show na matwa. When you crash ase ebire me.
Eze be. Akose sa Vietnam boy.
Me ya homa ne mo me. Me wu. Anfa homa ne nto ha se. Ase me. Me che mo pa. Hey, we dem che akose Japan.
O jawai.
Won.
Wampa.
Munya.
Uya.
Pese Dubai ne ba so na kan story me figa ne.
O ga wa obi anka story ye to.
Me figa ne.
Obe wele.
Me figa ne out. Simni. Robert, ana men chana kakula.
Obi sell.
Obi an sheme
na. Dubai.
So mu se man ko dia agro me de nyama.
Dubai boga.
Me de yeah.
2 days we could do 2 days.
Oh, right.
Hey, 2 days pay. And I come for 1 month ne. 2 months even I could do there.
Mama de bebano. Skate na come to be skate.
Come to dey.
Nana ya stories no.
Enti ye dey amia se ko Dubai no. O de Vietnam for chani bi aba. Mo hia pa. There better more dachi. But mamifa arehosem we and start first. Oh say Kodjon Kansa Lewin. We try movie. And the title the country called Ghana.
Country called Ghana.
A premier Accra. Na last Saturday so no premier Kumasi. No kunya accident na a severe one. Near information on online picking say as a car no ebo abranti bi ne papa. Na young boy no wumnewu. Akola no wumnewu but ne papa no.
Me pa chomba Facebook na mama hwade.
Join us on Facebook.
Lewin's accident. 3-year-old dies after father hospitalized. Let's just say, can any Lewin then collide? You know, there was a boy and a papa in a tikani.
Maybe. But the issue is that akwalani free and ane papa no receive treatment. I will Convanochi teaching hospital.
Simple.
Sad.
3 years boy.
Sad. So, your mom pie na Yankopon and Chichiri Kujo ere Yankopon and strengthening him.
Because he will not feel fine crowd. Also no so man it was
and Osanzuka was school.
Osan was school. And crass
and na BBC akore.
Because last time we say in the car back Konya accident you kai.
Last
time yes.
Konya accident you know.
I'm or traumatized parent again dear.
You know, you have to be very careful. Anytime you're driving, say careful.
Very important.
One
hour to steer nechi.
And KK for Sine bless accident in the no. Allegedly one blogger be we even a Tamaklo. That guy is a good friend.
So you knew him personally?
Yeah. That guy is a good friend. He used to write for Elombini, Benny West. That guy is a good guy. He's a good guy. When I saw the news, I hit him hard. We ought to be very careful. Charlie, you're driving here careful. In as much as say be a sign on no. You also you're driving, so no, we ought to be very careful. So this is sad news about why it be true mama and I pay say into Yakolano Ephraim ne papa no so oguso receive treatment. Your bomb say Yankopon fan and sanka ne papa no na ne ho ntumi ntono. Na ma meka yensa. Abra
already fan can see small boy. He had a whole life ahead of him.
Yeah, sure. He's gone. Abra I'm actually the Kobo concert to be with UK. Now I'm actually the concert no na yenu abe ma Kim Paluta esoko piem wo honom. Na this year Kim Paluta, I'm happy for him. Because you show we artists be obefa to be a success. And I'll tell you why.
Yeah.
You show we artists be obefa to be a success. You show we.
Show you. Ejuma
show we. Artists be obefa show we to be a success.
Hey.
And I'll tell you.
Enlighten me.
Yes. A Juma show no was part of shows are Ebwa Kim Paluta. Emani Blue, yeah. A Juma show. I remember say when they needed interview, no course I mean yeah, you know. My team interview them okay, my team one. And he came. Now today Kim Paluta is big. Yes, Kim Paluta is so big today. And to PM UK, I'm actually the event, you know.
Concert in
Yeah, concert in
now, one video the candidate to marathon.
I Calebni boy.
Caleb now all has some video now that I didn't to guess and to Black was a producer and yes, I don't.
Calebni. Or UK, it's in the
Robert to come back and I had it.
Event in Bebri, or Kobe.
Make us ever come out once a move.
No,
come who member program, and I say, we go shots everywhere. He will share video not free. She will shots free.
Oh, no, he had a see, Nippon always the Jiton.
Someone who's also did in our man and answer, son.
Only Yanpa, as you know, Jiton. And you know, Kim Paluta could PM.
Oh, this is amazing.
Yeah, could PM my beautiful and wonderful performance out of the two from Nanum Asadano. Ajibe bia obrezi asadatu yes. And you more there. And you more there papa.
So on going to kind out. Now going to a first new.
Ah really? Ta.
Oh, na say no call Germany news Canada.
Yeah.
No on two kind that.
Oh.
On two kind that. Can Paluta on call baby ada.
Ana.
Oh, Robert, you research my.
Sa anti I say oblo ya
na. Nyami bi e kwan man. And I pay or free Germany news Canada I could pay UK no.
London.
Obia mrebeso.
Okay.
Robert, you try research na manyama. O two kind na onya on two kind that. Because for the little I have gathered no. This is his first travel experience.
In terms of
Oko Dubai.
Yes,
Dubai ko ye dey.
Oko bo show Dubai.
And
shedden chair biasa.
And then so oblo ye, you blow ye.
Yeah, oblo ya.
And I'm just on 2 kwan da.
Until so oblo
ye. Paluta be Paluta on 2 on call on 2 on for plane da.
Oh.
Or for plane da but on tinemu longer period.
They were playing no longer.
Let me just say, nyamia ya de. De tie bia no benya so no de.
Yes, what you mean to kwakbo show.
Yes, and sanka na be mu buya.
So yes, so enyum no
wabre wapa aba
minye biem.
Yeah, and kene sanka wutumi nye so ogina ayi uka ohwihwi no. And
pa. And so I'm happy for him. I'm so happy for that the guy ne. I'm so happy for
God has been merciful.
Yes. And the artist bia opeso blow bia. I saw be show so first.
Hey. Nana.
I'm telling you.
Hey.
Artist opeso blow bia.
Prayer dey wo maybe prayer ni.
I say obefa show is.
Yeah, it's hey.
Obefa show is 5 minutes per and I know.
What is your kwan dru?
Obefa show is 5 minutes. Onim just black.
Aye.
Yeah, just black. Onim say Ghana Music Awards. Omomano we nominations.
Ameuga so waka ameuga so nya.
America story wa. That's what I'm telling you that.
Asia.
That's I'm telling you that opese ublua be facho yi so.
Ene ye whistle blowers. Ejuma aka whistle blowers.
Show we first wa. That's your breakthrough.
We hear dia ben.
O fa show we so a.
No kra mo amo hwe kra me akra no makodu ba ya ba nansen ya.
Aha. That's it.
We ya dance here.
That's it kase pa.
No kra pa.
And to show we first wa. That's your breakthrough.
Hey Nana Kwame.
I'm telling you. O fa show we so that's your breakthrough.
Fans nie.
So we ordained show. You understand? And to near wom nie. Waka ameuga sami ma me fan to aso e. Kwesi ameuga ya kwesi ameuga ya. Obetena show yi so a ogigidi dem marap.
Oh.
Marap I say yes.
Oh.
Abrantie you good.
Oh.
Ameuga winning unsung artist of the year.
Telecel Ghana Music Awards.
Yeah, unsung artist of the year. Kwesi ameuga.
Winner.
Yes, kwesi ameuga. Yeah, kwesi ameuga.
Say kase hard work pays kwesi ameuga is
yes.
a living testimony.
Yes.
Kase hard work
yes.
pa
I'm telling you.
Freestyle.
Kakan krasa.
Unsung.
Ameuga.
Whoever thought.
Me kai pa say kwesi ameuga. A friend me text me consistently for my dream you know.
Sir, me do text me and me feel no because na me who potential me who potential.
I have me obibi say who your artist. Especially you up and coming now texting now old friend ya. Me sheda. E hwe abotra wo.
Oh.
Eh na me feel one day na me kan say kwesi o ba show no so.
Oh.
And then bia na obaka chem so artist because I'm going to say yes, minimum no. And e dey ne buy.
Oh, me dem hu na me penasem from because me rap there me rappers there.
Kwesi be fa show is 1, be fa show is 2. Ani nie.
Hey.
Oh, ani nie.
Say what that no be nim. Hey, o pa kwa to be kwa na.
No, I no cre. Me ka say the second time oba hanum no. Industry phone impeni phone be frame gene number.
Okay.
Yes. Industry. Me I don't want to mention name here.
Exactly.
But industry phone penny. Oh, Osei Charlie, that your guy. Make me his number. Within that space, I'm the number man. I think I'm Chebiano. Kubo should be Dubai or something like that. Yes.
Oh, you're humble, say.
Yes.
Kwesi.
And if you want to blow, you pass through a Juma. Very, very important.
Now what blow that way?
Was it?
What blow that way?
What blow that? It didn't pay Jaya. It didn't pay Jamo.
Hey, Nana Kwame. Kwesi Ameuga, congratulations, sweetheart. I am super excited for you.
Yeah, Kwesi Ameuga.
This is massive.
Massive
because obviously we talk for bebre e wo ho no.
Yeah.
Now what to me assign wo mo ho nyame e wa dom pa mo beye TGMA unsung artist and
yeah, unsung artist.
It's been great.
A big pa Kwesi Ameuga, a big pa.
Yeah.
I'm so happy for him. I'm so happy for Kwesi Ameuga. Yembo rap don't let tell etu kwan na na opese otu kwan ya ogine ni kakra. Pese wurura ni ade a. Don't let you na jin say Organized club.
Oh man nko.
Omudu omu say oya na age.
Oh man nko. Okasa kwa de omu dia ba be hwetwa ne to kora. Okasa, omudu ka say, "Hey, don't shout at your elders. Don't shout at your elders."
Enti don't let it akusem no say oh metu kwan o metu kwan abrantie pa abrantie mezizo Grace Mano ovra say okwako have fun kakra ko na the club odu I say that be usa you a small boy
o manenko
no say me
manenko
ukwaga me ye we pa o me grandfather o
manenko
I say that be say u dabi unkobi you're a kid. Go home. Go and go and sleep. I said, no, I'm not a kid. I said, means I'm frustrated. Akwana manika tree. I said, that means that.
Oh.
Oh, say.
No, no, go there, club.
Oh, go have fun. Okojinani. Oh, okojinani.
I said the body ID card saying come. Because Nana, once a bian somebody near but an ID card one and one. I can age you ever so. Number of
on baby on for ID card inside come saying.
And that's on fashion a wallet.
Na we yatre.
Exactly because Sanka one Uncle Betty or Rebecca they will let him in. And you feel like Oko Chichimako use the voice be a moka another chomona or more room. Don't little. I'm just imagining how frustrated he would be.
I don't have frustration.
Just explaining himself. So, Brahman, you know me. Do you know who I am? Now, Okasa almost antis because also Okasa louder.
No, Okasa
Emma. So,
you're very confused.
Very confused. Because of Muno.
Okasa, I'm crying my head.
Man, tell me if you jack, make us some mentive, mommy, and so this would they don't respect. I saw more.
And you don't let you know. My last story in trim. Now, my last story, no, yeah, and it just came back. Ghana CEO Summit. This is the 8th edition.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, Ghana CEO Summit.
CEO for you now.
Yes, 8th edition. Now, yeah, Ankasa, our own mother, Auntie B, Imeje, CEO, best CEO of
be Auntie B now.
Media.
Almost every year.
Yes, media television. Auntie B.
If I tell you, general CEO and you know, Facebook,
yes, CEO. Yes. Auntie B, no, imagine the best CEO. Media television. Auntie B, no, imagine the best CEO.
Group CEO of Media General Beatrice Ajama, one CEO of the year in media television.
Media television. It's media houses. I mean, nah. Oh, come best CEO Auntie B.
Oh,
as I said, best CEO Auntie B.
Now also I say fair, intino.
Oh,
she's representing.
Yes,
she's representing all fine girls. All fine girls.
And he said, "Who was you na? See when you fa? Oh, and what you made you know? Tibi won for pa. We win say winning award no so pa dey man pa. Others, and abena Auntie B winning award na man best CEO media television. And you know, yambo na baso.
Congratulations, Auntie B. A big congratulations.
And you know, Omamodena Senka a small party, me no better man.
I don't know any. You know, it's a 2 party man. One and 2 party man. When you're here, more as I go one chrono.
And you say, oh, small party.
Oh, yes, small party. Be a small party. Be a movie. Enjoy. You deserve.
If you have a crab and go crane and dear.
In the same cafeteria, where's the hammer?
Kakra, no, Gina, Hose, Mundi.
When you know how you are,
Dabby, when you know how Mundi. When you know how to knock the Mundi.
And your mom.
As I say, Mundi. As I say, but I must say that Auntie B is a good leader. Baby, she encourages you on your job you are doing. Baby, and that is a mark of a good leader. A good leader encourages his people to work and work hard. They don't discourage, they encourages you. And that is a mark of a good leader. And it's one of the qualities of Auntie B. She, wherever she meets you, she encourages you. And when you say encouragement, it pushes you to do more for the company. And I think she deserves every award. She deserves it. So, Auntie B, God bless you so much.
God bless you.
God bless you so much for being a good leader. God bless you so much.
God bless you. Nana.
Abena, Eti, Yediesi.
Yamwa,
e be share with
yo
Onua 95.1 FM. Yeah, Junimo.